This is becoming an unfortunate reality for the polar bear population. The large dome-shaped sheets of ice, known as ice caps, are melting away due to average temperatures of the poles rising noticeably due to changes in the environment. As our polar bears' habitats are melting away, they are slowly having everything taken away from them. Due to the melting of ice caps, polar bears have nowhere to hunt seals and nowhere to live. The cause of this change in habitat is due to greenhouse emissions such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous gas, which are released into the atmosphere when we burn gasoline and other fossil fuels of our own needs.
But the polar bears are not the only things that are affected by the melting of the ice caps. As the ice melts, the ocean sea levels rise, which can result in severe and permanent flooding. If all of the ice on the Earth melts, some of the largest cities will be partially underwater, such as Rome, Miami, New York, and London. We have passed the point of no return. Even if we completely eliminate our emissions, the ice caps will melt and cause global catastrophes.
Although we cannot stop the ice caps from melting, it is imperative that we reduce our carbon emissions. The rising sea levels are only the beginning to much worse changes to come, such as many more extreme weather and of course the hotter temperature. With increasing temperatures, some ecosystems will not be in the right conditions for certain plants and animals to live. In fact, studies show that if temperature climbs more than 1.5 to 2.5 degrees, 20 to 30% of plant and animal species will be at risk of extinction.
Reduce your greenhouse emissions by taking a few simple steps. Walk or bike whenever possible instead of driving, or if driving is necessary, carpool with friends. Also, try to reduce the amount of electricity that you use. Turn off the lights when you leave the room, only use the AC when it's absolutely necessary, and when doing home improvements or renovations, buy energy-efficient appliances, buy CFLs instead of incandescent lights, and make sure you insulate your house properly. Climate change is a global issue, and the melting of the ice caps is just one example of how the increase in temperature due to greenhouse emissions we release is causing a change in our world that will cause consequences to our Earth.